Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading na Mismo. Okay, before I begin, I would like to thank everyone who supported the Mystico Moreno Tarot and Oracle readings sa GMR Bazaar sa Fairview nung nakarang Sabado, June 6 and Linggo, June 7. So, thank you so much po. First time kong mag-public reading and nakakatuwa na maraming sumuporta at nagpabasa. Thank you so much. Shout out sa inyong lahat na nagpa-read and I'm glad that the readings, all readings actually resonated. So, sana nakatulong ang reading na yun sa um, na magbigay ng insight at guidance sa inyo sa mga kailangan nyong gawin in life. And sana nagbigay din ng clarity ito sa mga concerns ninyo. So, muli maraming salamat. And okay, so itong reading na to today ay ang inyong new love reading. So, matagal-tagal din since nag-new love reading ako, kaya ito nagbabalik na. At para ito sa lahat ng air signs, Libra, Aquarius, and Gemini. Okay? So, thank you so much sa inyong lahat na sumusuporta. Patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Please continue to support by liking this video and commenting below lalo na kung nag-resonate ang reading. It really helps the channel grow. At kung bago kayo at nag-resonate ang mga readings ko sa inyo or nag-connect kayo sa akin, sana mag-subscribe po kayo. Please subscribe para updated rin kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang love readings. Okay, so as I always do, I always remind everyone na itong readings ko sa YouTube channel ay collective and general love reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kapag hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love readings or panoorin nyo yung mga videos na na-post ko na baka isa doon na mag-resonate sa inyo. Dahil ang tarot and oracle readings naman talaga ay timeless. Better yet, personal private reading sa akin. Nasa email address ko lang naman yung yung nasa description box lang naman yung email address ko. Okay? So, let's begin. So, gagawin natin, bubunot ako ng isang oracle card. That would be the overall energy of this reading for new love. Ang masasagap natin. And then, 8 cards from this tarot deck para alamin natin ano ba yung story behind bakit ito yung lalabas na oracle card. So, overall energy, let's see. Let's begin. Six card, dahil June pa rin naman ngayon. And move beyond your limits. Okay. So, I can see here with this oracle card that I think when it comes to love kasi medyo marami kang hesitations, marami kang fears, and it's actually limiting you and blocking you to move forward or even welcome in the new love. So, I can sense na there's actually new love coming in, pero hindi siya yung energy na to, hindi siya makapag-proceed kasi meron kang mga hesitations and fears and worries when it comes to love. So, kahit gustong-gusto mo na yung dumating yung love sa buhay mo, parang ikaw mismo may binoblock mo yung energy kasi iniisip mo na, ay, baka masasaktan ka lang, ay baka hindi naman ito yung love na hinaharap mo, ay baka hindi rin naman siya magiging long term, ay ang daming parang excuses, parang ganun. Pero yun ay ang root nun is something talaga from coming from fear. Either ang dami mong experiences in the past na nasaktan ka lang, or hindi mo pa na-experience mo in love, and syempre, yung unknown, fear of the unknown, ano bang mangyayari kapag dumating yung love na to. So, but I can see na it it's just about readiness din talaga. Pero tignan natin, sige, ano yung story and what's the reason behind this oracle card, move beyond your limits. Okay? So, malimitan din ng sarili mo when it comes to love. And yung ano din na parang ayaw mo rin mag-all out when it comes to love. Tingnan natin bakit. First card, okay, Knight of Wands. The Lovers. See? Knight of Wands and the Lovers, it's just telling you actually to take a leap of faith when it comes to love. Pero interpret pa natin siya. Two of Swords. Yeah. Page of Pentacles. See? Four of Wands. Ang ganda ng cards. See? Ace of Pentacles. Seven of Cups. And see? Ace of Swords. Two aces. Okay. Bottom of the deck, Three of Cups. It's a good energy. So this is the energy you don't see it coming, or nandiyan na talaga sa iyo, but hindi mo siya namamalayan lang na there's this Three of Cups energy. Which means na, nga, tama yung sinabi ko kanina na nandiyan na siya. It's actually within your tawag din, proximity, yung new love na to. And all you have to do is really to allow these two energies, you're wanting to love and that person wanting to love you, or itong new love energy to na mag-meet. Okay? So, with the Three of Cups here, which is a card of collaboration, it's also about the energy collaborating din. So, yung hesitations mo, fears mo, let it go para mag-proceed din yung new love energy towards you. Okay, as I can see here din talaga, sabi ko kanina, Knight of Wands and the Lovers, it's telling you, the universe is telling you when it comes to new love, kasi nandiyan na nga siya, na once na dumating din yung person at magpapakita ito ng motive sa iyo when it comes to love, first, allow yourself to be triggered ng mga fears, hesitations na yon, pero relax, upuan mo siya, reflect on it, tingnan mo bakit ka nati-trigger at bakit lumalabas na naman yung fear. Pero, again, told you na yung fear na yon doesn't, parang fear lang siya, hindi naman siya talaga yung reality din. Or, hindi naman din siya sure na materialize unless minamanifest mo nga na mangyari yung negative thoughts na yun, di ba? So, let go of those negative thoughts para mawala din yung fear. With the Knight of Wands here, taking a leap of faith sa unknown din, as you can see here din sa image. And the Lovers, and yun nga, parang take a leap of faith when it comes to love. Kasi, andyan na yan eh. I can sense nga na kung hindi pa nagpaparamdam, malapit na, or actually nagparamdam na. Pero ikaw, kasi here lumabas ito of Swords, so meron kang mga big decisions na kailangan gawin. Parang in dilemma ka, na ipupush mo ba or not, go or no. So may mga decisions ka talaga na kailangan gawin, kaya sabi ko sa'yo, upuan mo siya, reflect on it, kung ano ba yung pumipigil sa'yo, and kung maging aware ka na dun sa bagay na pumipigil sa'yo when it comes to love, then work on it. Okay, kasi we're here with the Page of Pentacles. It's really a fresh start, a new beginning when it comes to love. And tell me, may Ace of Pentacles and Swords ka pa, which double confirms then something new, something fresh. And here with the Page of Pentacles showing up here na this is really something na nagde-develop na. Actually, unti-unti na siyang dumarating sa life mo, this new love, and it will progress even further. And with the Four of Wands, it's actually a card of milestones. It's a lucky card in tarot, showing na parang 11-11, which is manifestations materializing then. It's good luck. It's a card of milestone. So, allow yourself to experience this new love. Wag mo na siyang pigilan pa. Kasi the more na pinipigilan mo siya, the more na mas stress ka lang din. And the more na madedelay din itong milestone na to. Kasi Four of Wands is really a good, parang it's a next level or a new phase in your life or in your love life. Okay, na something na something na isi-celebrate mo rin. Something na parang ikasasaya at ikagagalak ng puso mo. Diba? And here with the Ace of Pentacles, dun muna tayo sa Ace. Ace of Pentacles and Ace of Swords. There's really a new beginning, an investment. Someone will really invest when it comes to love sa iyo. Okay? And this person is alam din niya kung ano yung gusto niya, kaya willing siya mag-invest sa love na yon. It's a new opportunity for you also to love and experience love. And with the Ace of Swords, magkakaroon ng initial contact, communication that will spark this new love to really move and proceed. And with the Seven of Cups showing up here lang, tingnan mo magkatapat pa talaga sila. It's there's really something that you have to let go. There's a wishful thinking kasi na parang ikaw din, alam mo naman sa sarili mo na parang part of you is wondering ano nga ba, ano yung new love na to, and gaano ba kasarap magmahal. Okay, kung hindi mo pa na-experience, or gaano kasarap ulit magmahal if you've been through past relationship that didn't work. So this wishful thinking, okay, is would be helpful in order for you to manifest, or may also not be helpful kung hanggang parang wishful thinking ka na sana pero you're not doing anything pag dumating na. Okay, marami kang gustong mangyari, marami kang sana, pero once na binigay naman sa'yo ni universe sa'yo itong sana na to, hindi mo ginagrab. Okay, andyan na siya, tapos hindi mo ginagrab. Tapos parang si universe, sabi niya, ano ba yan? Ang dami mong mga hopes, mga wishes, tapos kapag dumating, dinidisregard mo. So, enough of it. Okay, there's a new love coming in. Take a leap of faith. This Four of Wands is a new milestone coming in when it comes to love. Someone who is will be willing to invest in this connection, in this relationship, and will start a conversation, a talk, a connection. So all you have to do is really make the right decision. Okay? So, and hindi din talaga ganun kadali, lalo na kung may mga past experiences ka na nasaktan ka that even created this fear, di ba, na baka masaktan ka lang ulit. Pero again, sa mga experiences natin in the past, kung nasaktan man tayo, we use it actually to move forward, mga learnings natin in the past. gamitin natin siya to become a better person, to become better and be more ready when it comes to new love. Para alam din natin yung mga boundaries natin, non-negotiables natin. Alam na rin natin kung ano yung mga kailangan natin gawin kapag dumating yung new love. At para actually, dapat nga yung mga experiences na yun will make us even stronger and braver and harapin, imbis na magkaroon ng fear, dapat mas maging brave tayo. Kasi na-experience na natin yun, di ba? Parang ano siya, di ba? Kung wari, na, di ba, nagkaroon na nagkaroon ka ng cheating incident before. So, non-negotiable mo na siya, di ba? Pero, mas magiging strong ka pa to find new love, to find the true person na hindi ka i-cheat, di ba? Hindi yung mag-fear ka na, ay, yung darating na person, i-cheat lang din ako, di ba? Hindi. You'll be more wiser nga to find this person. And kapag dumating to and na-meet naman niya yung criteria mo, then go for it. Hindi yung nakita mo, pasok naman siya dun sa criteria mo and nakita mo naman na honest, sincere, and loyal itong person na to, why would you still have that fear, di ba? Okay, so kaya mo yan, go, go, go. And yan, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga ulit si Mystico Moreno. Or in short, Miss Mo. Kita kits. Ingat.